Hello everybody! Long time no see and long time no hear. You know, I don't really like to speak on my video, but I will make an exception for today. I just received my DT package from Art Anthology and I will open it with you. Lucky you and lucky me. I heard that there's a lot of surprise inside. New surprise I never used before, so okay, packing material. Let's start with the stencil. Never had this one. Nice. So it is called Pipe Dream. This one is, you can see the name over there, but it's in white, so it's difficult to see. Off the Grid. Ooh, this one is brand new, and I don't think I saw it on the website yet. So you gotta first look at it. And it's called, how is it called? It's another Off the Grid. And this one, too. Sorry for that. This one is Universe. This one is Ringlet. Ah, it's like coffee stain, and yeah, it's coffee stain. This one is Dotty, and I don't know the name of this one, but it's gonna be fun to play with it. Oh, honeycomb, I like this one. I got a stamp matching that. Oh, like a dolly, it's so cute. Cherry Blossom. What is the name of it? Blossom. Cracked. Ah, this one is nice. Yes, it's Fragment. This one is Triangular. Nice pattern. And this one is Morse Code. Oh, how fun. Okay, let's see the rest. I saw two big stuff there. The mud, yeah, texture paste. I'm gonna have fun with the stencil and that. Thank you. We have two small shimmering minks. This one is Indulgence. It's like a dark pink. Yes. Almost red, and this one is Decadent. It's like a gold. Can you see that? Yes. Nice. And we got Seafoam. Oh, love the color. Orchid. I already used this one, but I'm glad I got another one because mine is getting low. This one is Gemstone. It's really shiny and it's rhodolite, beautiful color. This one is Gemstone 2, can you see the shimmery? And it's fluorite. We got here Velvet, Fiji, beautiful, blue-green, like the sea in the Fiji maybe. Tink, oh, like Tinkerbell, you know, the green from the dress. It's a sorbet. Ooh, love this one. A sorbet pixie, very beautiful. Cayman. It's a sorbet too. This one is Mermaid. If you follow me, you have seen a lot of mermaid project this year. It's with some sparkle in it. It's very beautiful. Kona. I don't know if you say Kona or it's like a chocolate, yeah, chocolate color. Beautiful. This one is a sorbet. It's Ferrari. I will say it in French. It's Ferrari, like, you know, the sports car. Yes, big red, beautiful. This one is a sorbet. It's chocolate, but with a sparkle in it. This one is a sorbet cameo. It's a light pink with some shimmer in it. Silver, I was waiting for this one to start a project. Great. Glass. I think it's like a coat, a translucent coat for your project. I will try it. Emerald, and it's a gemstone too. And two more. This one is a sorbet, linen. It looks like a white color with silver shimmer. And this one is one of my favorite line. It's Stone Effect. It looks like a sandy gray. Can you hear that? It's like a little stone in it. Concrete. Great. And that was my DT box. I'm so happy and I'm gonna have fun with it, and I hope to see you soon to see what I've done with it. Thank you for watching.